Ever wondered why an apple falls straight down and not sideways? We're about to delve into the fundamental principles that govern motion and forces in our universe, the laws that Newton laid down. 3 laws, to be precise. We won't dive into the specifics just yet, but these laws underpin everything we understand about how objects move and interact. So sit tight and prepare to unravel the mysteries of motion as defined by Sir Isaac Newton. Imagine sitting in a car that suddenly stops. Why do you lurch forward? This is Newton's first law, or the law of inertia, at work. Simply put, an object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest, unless an external force interferes. Just like when your car halts and you keep moving, or when a soccer ball rolls on the grass until friction slows it down. So next time you stumble when the bus stops, remember, it's just Newton's first law in action. Ever tried pushing a truck? Why is it harder than pushing a bicycle? This is because of Newton's second law. Force equals mass times acceleration. In simpler terms, the heavier an object is, or the faster you want it to move, the more force you need to apply. Think about pushing a shopping cart compared to pushing a baby stroller, or consider the effort needed to lift a bowling ball versus a feather. So pushing a truck isn't impossible, it just requires a lot more force. Why does a balloon fly around when you let it go before tying it up? This is a perfect example of Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. When air rushes out of the balloon, it pushes back, sending the balloon flying in the opposite direction. Or consider the recoil of a gun. When the bullet is propelled forward, the gun kicks back with equal force. So remember, every push or pull you make has an equal and opposite reaction somewhere. So, why do Newton's laws matter in our daily lives? Newton's laws are the foundation of our understanding of motion and forces, predicting the behavior of everything from a rolling ball to a soaring plane. From the apple falling to the ground to the satellites orbiting Earth, Newton's laws are at work, defining our understanding of motion and forces. Remember, science is not just in the lab, it's all around us,